Yeah. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to wall climb, and maybe in the next one branch. I'll also teach you double walls. So first, for wall climbing, if you want to use both hands, you can. I like using one. So you're going to have this trigger down, and then you're going to have to like, you know how walking, you're going to have to go like that, like forward, not just bouncing up. Do that, but like even better. So first off, both hands is pretty much the same. The one-armed one, do that, but with both your hands and make them go like this. Just like that. Okay, so now we have double walls. So what you're gonna want to do, exactly like that one, if you want to wall climb with one hand, you can do that on the walls like this. But you can also go like this, which is probably the easiest one for a beginner. So first, all you're gonna want to do is jump to the side like this, bounce off, but also keep your hand like this, bounce off, and then like throw your hand to the side and upwards in this angle. And that's all I pretty much have to tell you. Are you gonna click off the video yet?